Okay, hi. Ako si, kilala niya ako. Well, I'm playing drums. Matagal na ako hindi nagbabasa ng notes. It's been a long time. Siguro it's been 5 years I haven't read drums notes. So anyway, I believe sa basics, at the bottom right here will be the bass, and on top is the snare, and the X's are the hi-hats. I'm gonna do this exercise number 6. I don't know if you guys have this, or I don't know. Well, sa fill-in niya, I got snare, first tom-tom, second tom-tom, and at the bottom, this one is probably floor tom-tom. So, I know, it's snare, first tom-tom, snare, first tom-tom, snare, and floor tom-tom. Okay, so I don't need the second tom-tom then. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do this. Siguro, hopefully it sounds like this. Pero medyo mabilis. Pero paki-correct na lang ako kung tama yung reading ko dito sa fill-in. Kasi tagal na ako. Oh no, I'm pointing different one right here. Here, so sorry. It's paki-correct na lang ako kung mali yung basa ko. Okay? Kasi matagal na talaga eh. And I'm not sure kung ito first tom-tom or second tom-tom or whatever. Basta, paki-correct na lang ako kasi tagal na talaga. I can't find my other notes. Yan, I'm just gonna play this exercise number 6 and, yun lang. Wait lang. Yun yung kompleto. So, yeah, paki-correct na lang ako about this. Hope kita nyo. And, I know, tama yung beat ko. Here. So, paki-correct na lang ako rito. There you go. Malinaw ba? Yeah. Alright, salamat! Alright.